got it after you and I came over here to get out of the mess.
Oh my God. Is it still flying?
This is crazy.
Look at those over there. I don't know. It was like the Big Bang Theory. You crashed out. Sunshine and I were stuck in like the middle of it, and it was all doing this and everywhere. And then I started running. Yeah. I st I started running out here and everything was just floating away.
This is insane.
Yeah. This is
So
why I'm
when it
not
does
using
this, how do you
2.0.
fix it? Go to a previous save?
We probably all have to leave and then come back. I think this happened to Jenny once. And I think she left and came back and it was there. Probably.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Probably. I know. I know, that's what it was doing. Only it was going faster before. No. Wait, did that turn purple? This beam right there? That was red before, wasn't it? This one? Right here. You don't see this big purple beam? Did you see that stuff? Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's a big purple beam here. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's like an explosion. Oh my God. This thing is. Okay, when you're famous, I was here first for the first video. Hi, everybody. Howdy.
I
Thank
was here too.
you.
As I say,
Yep.
I'm here. I'm multitasking over here.
So when she gets 500,000 subscribers, we were the first
This
in
looks
the
like one
video.
of those things you hit with like the tennis racket. Look, guys! That's over there is floating now.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Where was that? I thought that was below us.
What is this called? What is this thing called that you hit with the racket? Thank you. That's what that looks like.
Oh, okay. You're talking about badminton.
Yeah, I
rotating.
knew the name of the sport. I just couldn't think of the name for the hat. Again, this is why I will never use Room 2.0.
No. No, they're all gun ho on this, but huh? Okay.